Hello guys, so welcome back once again to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to take you through how you can participate in the giveaway going on Monetag. So Monetag is giving out promo, so they are giving out promo, a giveaway to their customers on their platform. So there is the need for me to give you this update. As Monetag is making a giveaway, as Terra is also making a giveaway. So I'm going to make a video on both of them, but this video is focusedly on Monetag. So I'm going to take you through with the Monetag aspect, and later I'm going to take you through with the Astera as well. So all you have to do here is to just subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, like this video and leave anything you have in the comment section. I'm going to take time to reply you out there. You can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. But please note, I'm nowhere a financial advisor. I only share stuffs which works perfectly for me on my YouTube channel. So all you have to do here is to just simply open your Monetag account. So once you open your Monetag account, as you can see on the screen, this is my Monetag demo account. So this is everything I have to show you. So in order for you to participate in this giveaway, once you open your account, sometimes you might be lucky and you'll be seeing it on the surface or on the screen here. They will give you a notice, a different notice. It is going to indicate that there is a promo going on. But if you can't find something like that on the screen, all you have to do here is to just come to this session here. All right, they come to this session here. As you can see, come to this session on the right hand side. Come to this session, click on that. Once you click on that, they are going to tell you that there is a profit heat wave promo ongoing on Monetag. So you have to participate. You can win up to $1,000 on this promo. So it's about smart links promo. Okay, so all you have to do is to just simply scroll down. Once you scroll down here, you can see read more about the currently giveaway that they are giving on their platform. But if you want to partake, you can see partake in the promo. Partake in the promo. So click on that, click on partake in the promo. So you can see profit heat wave bonus as hot as summer. Okay, so they are giving out this free promo to their customers or to their users on their platform. So all you have to do here is to scroll down. So they are telling you, can you feel the heat from the biggest smart link promo of the year? Take part and get up to $1,000 to your account starting from July 15th. So it started on July 15th and it's going to end on the 1st of September. So between this interval, between this range, there is the need for you to participate in the promo currently ongoing on Monetag. So how do you participate? Let's scroll down and check it out. So you can choose the level 2 as well. So extra here it says that I use Monetag for over 2 months and earn at least $100. So here is some of the extra promo that they are going to give to you if you have this amount in your account. So an amount of $100, $1,000 to $3,000, you're going to get $100 bonus on your account. Okay, so an amount of $3,000 to $5,000, you're going to get $300 in your account. An amount of $5,000 to $10,000, you're also going to get $500 in your account. And moreover, okay, so you can register as a pro if you have this amount of if you have this amount in your Monetag. But if you don't, all you have to do is to scroll down. So how do I participate in this profit heat wave? So first of all, you have to have a Monetag account. Now, the question here is, if you don't have a Monetag account, please check under the description. There is a link there. Tap on it and start registering yourself. If you don't know how to go through the process, you can check on my videos. I made a video on how you can register on Monetag. It's a recent video, so you can check it out there on how you can register on Monetag. I have the full tutorial to guide you through out there, so you can check under my videos. So the first thing you have to do here, or the first thing you have to you just have to participate in the profit heat wave, is you have to have a Monetag account. Okay, that's the first step. The second step is to register in the promo before September 1st 2024. That is the second step. So you have to get yourself registered in the promo before September 1st 2024. And the third one is from July 15th to September 15th, and at least $1,000. Okay, earn at least $1,000 on Monetag Smart Link. That you date from May 14th to July 14th. Okay, so that one is for the old users. So if you're an old user, this is for you. But for the new users, say new with Monetag Smart Link. Are you new with Monetag Smart Link? All you have to do is to just make at least extra $10 with your Smart Link to enter the raffle. And of course, I've been showing you guys a lot of ways in order for you to use your Smart Link to generate a lot of revenue in your account. So if you don't know anything about that, you can check in my videos. I've made a videos on how you can use a Smart Link to earn a lot of revenue in your Monetag account. So all you have to do is to just participate with these 4 tips here. So first of all, have an account, register, get yourself before the September 15th, and also get some cool $100 in your account as well. So all you have to do here, join now, write the profit hit wave. So enter your account. Okay, so this is my email account here, and then I have to click on I've read and agree with the terms, and then click on I'm in. All you have to do is to just click on I'm in. But note, if you don't have this amount of money in your account, yes, still please provide your email there. Maybe they might give out, or they might feel some pity to give out some cool cash to people who get registered on this promo. Yes, so you might not have the $100, or you might not have the $10,000, but then you have to participate as well. So all you have to do is to just click on I'm in. So once you click on I'm in, they will send you a message that a confirmation message to your participation has been sent to your email. So let me check my email to see that if I've received this confirmation in my email account. So once I open my email account, here you go, it says Monetag. So it says that you have successfully registered for the Monetag Profit Heatwave promo, and we're excited to see you turn up the heat on your earnings. Okay, so I have been registered, or I've been participated. I have participated myself in the promo currently going on. So please ensure you use the same email as when you registered at Monetag. Not if, or if not, please register for the promo again. Otherwise, your result won't count. Okay, so note that for us. Okay, so that's very important. So this is how you can participate in the currently promo going on Monetag. It's free for you, don't have to pay anything. All is about dedicating your time to just type in your dedicating your time to type in all the necessary things you have to do here. And I hope you enjoyed this particular content. So watch out for the Astera giveaway. The next video is going to be on Astera giveaway. Thank you for watching this particular video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new to my channel. Join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the links can be found under the description of this particular video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much.